Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to put large red circle emoji on your YouTube live streaming. On the title, you can people used to put a red dot, a red large circle dot. So I'll show you how to put the red dot circle. Okay, so you just open the Chrome, type here large red circle. Okay, and the first one, you click the first one, large red circle emoji. Okay, yeah, it'll pop up, and I'll put the link in the description below. You just go to the you just click the link and just go here, and there will be a lot of large circle over here. But for your live streaming, okay, for example, go to my channel and you see that the emoji red circle large emoji is there, red circle 1 2 is there. So this day all the streamer used to put on the large red dot, this one. This indicates the live emoji, live stream emoji, something like that. So I'm going to show you. You just copy, right, one click, copy, and I'll go to the live, go live, and no, wait, I'll just show you one more time. Go live. You already copied the large red circle emoji, so you just need to paste here. I'll just remove this for you guys. Right click, paste, right click, paste. So this emoji will go to the live stream. You can add 1 or 2, whatever you like. You can add more, you can add 1 or 2. So just like that, just go to save, and once the stream started, it's gonna pop up. It will show on your channel. It will show on your channel like this. Like this. It will come up like this. So go to the link and just click copy and paste on your live stream. You can put the red circle if you want to. So for those who are looking for this kind of stream, you know, this kind of streaming style, if you guys are looking for, you just go to the link and copy and you can paste it. Okay, so this is a short clip. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.